People in our society frequently inquire how much money you make when discussing wealth, but you hardly ever hear them ask what your net worth is. Your wealthy uncle and the CEOs of the companies that you work for are the only people who speak in this manner. The rich measure their wealth in terms of their net wealth, while the poor measure their wealth based on their working income. In this video, I'll share with you the 4 secrets to becoming rich by outlining the 4 pillars of true wealth, which you can use to increase your net worth to new heights. You never hear in these types of conversations that someone got a 3% raise at work, which barely fights inflation. Why do you never hear these comments? Because the rich measure wealth in terms of their net worth. The net worth is the ultimate indicator of wealth. Revenue from not working has existed and will continue to exist. Your net worth is the financial equivalent of everything you own and is calculated as the difference between the value of your assets minus the value of your obligations. You must tally up the value of everything you possess, including cash and investments like real estate, stocks and bonds, the value of your business, if you have one, and your home, and then deduct all your debts. You might include any outstanding auto loans, mortgage obligations, loans to friends, etc. It shouldn't come as a surprise to you that wealthy people understand the significant difference between working income and net worth. Working income is important, but it's not as important as net worth. You can't liquidate your working income, but you can sell off your assets you own if you need cash quickly. This is why net worth is the ultimate measure of wealth. Income, savings, investments, and simplification make up the 4 net worth components. Because all 4 of these components are crucial, wealthy individuals recognize that increasing one's net worth is a mathematical equation containing all 4 of them. Let's take a look at each component in turn. Number 1, income, which comes in 2 forms. Working income and passive income is the first pillar of actual prosperity. Working income is the money made from active work, such as a paycheck from a 9-to-5 job or profits from a business for an entrepreneur. Working income is how we fill up our financial funnel, so to speak. All things being equal, the more working income you earn, the more you can save and invest. However, working income is only valuable if you have a sufficient amount to save and invest. Unfortunately, many people in the lower and middle income brackets only focus on their employment income. And what's worse is that some of them believe that only earning this kind of income will eventually make them wealthy. They claim their long hours and hard work will pay off in the future. But if that were the case, wouldn't all diligent workers already be wealthy? Despite the fact that there are billions of diligent workers on Earth, it is quite unlikely that they are all wealthy. This is due to the fact that their working income is only one component of the wealth equation, and when it is the entire focus, it results in having little to no net worth. For this reason, the wealthy have placed a lot of emphasis on the second source of income, passive income. Rich individuals are financially free, which means that they have the option to live the lifestyle they wish without having to work, which can only be realized when your passive income earnings exceed your living expenses. Passive income is money produced without you actively working, and like working income, it fills up the financial funnel and can be utilized for spending, saving, and investing. The way that passive income generated through business operates a little bit different. To create a business that generates returns without your involvement, you must set it up and structure it in this way. The business can be an online venture, in where you hire virtual assistants to manage, or a real estate venture, where property managers handle all of your housing needs. If you feel insulted because you don't understand how passive income operates, don't worry. I never took a passive income 101 class in school either. Unfortunately, schools only teach you how to find the slope of a line or how to write in cursive, not how to generate passive income, a real-life skill. As a result, unless you have family or friends who can teach you how to generate passive income, you'll probably only ever make a working income. Number 2, saving is the second tenet of real wealth. Saving is essential because even if you make a ton of money, you'll never become wealthy if you don't keep any of it. Many people have a financial plan that drives them to spend whatever money they have, favoring short-term gain over long-term harmony. Spenders live by 3 adages. It is impossible to address the next pillar of true wealth without first creating income to fill the funnel and savings to keep it there. This is because their first motto is that since money is all there is, they don't have much of it. Their second motto is that things will work themselves out, or at least they hope they will. Once you've started setting aside a sizable amount of your income, you can go to the following level and start growing your money by investment, which is number 3. The third pillar of real wealth is that your money will grow and increase your net worth more quickly if you're good at investing. Rich people pride themselves on being outstanding investors, or at least on hiring excellent investors to invest on their behalf. They devote the time and effort to learn about investing. Every pillar in the true wealth model is crucial, but poor people believe that investing is just for the wealthy. As a result, they never learn about it and will continue to live in poverty. Number 4. The fourth and last pillar of true prosperity is the component of simplification, which might as well be the underdog of the group given how few people are aware of its significance in generating money. Creating a lifestyle where you need less money to live goes hand in hand with saving money. By lowering your cost of living, you increase your savings and the amount of money you have available for investment. Building great wealth requires all 4 pillars. Because wealthy people play the money game on all 4 wheels, the ride is quick, smooth, and relatively simple. They don't comprehend Parkinson's law, which indicates that expenses will always increase in direct proportion to income. They play the game of money on only one wheel. They believe that the only way to get rich is to earn a lot of money. They believe so only because they've never been there. Thanks for tuning in to Finance Experts. We hope you found today's video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial news, tips, and strategies. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.